Being part of the Forward AM family gave us access to the full value chain of additive, and bringing together our design knowledge and production knowledge with the material know-how and so on from Forward AM allows us to bring to the market together full solutions. So Sculpteo is a 3D printing service. The company was really created around its software. The first brick of the software was really to manage the production, and then we started to develop specific algorithms like the nestings and slicers and so on. All this led us to become one of the biggest global 3D printing service, and we print now around 80,000 parts that we ship worldwide every month. Currently we're focused on several verticals. The main one is probably consumer goods and fashion. And it's amazing what this flexible material, which is also skin contact, can bring. We do parts directly on the body for some high-end fashion brands, and it gives really a lot of flexibility and helps them to move towards more clothing, and that's super interesting. You can really use TPU for its amazing flexibility and also the very good finishing that you get while you smooth and coat the part. The good thing with the coating is that you can also finish bigger parts. For example, this part of the back seat that we made for a Citroën Oli concept car. And of course, this part is also interesting because it's showcasing the different hardness and different mechanical properties that you can get with lattices with the Forward AM TPU. So in the medical area, we print mostly orthotics, but also tooling, surgical tools. For example, like this corset. This part is printed with PA11. We needed a very tough and flexible material. Another thing with PA11 is on the sustainability aspect, as it's biosourced with castor oil. And finally, we have also industrial applications. This part, for example, is made for Bernet Automation, which is one of our customers. And they are making vibrating bowls. So if you have a big amount of small parts and you need them to come out one by one on the line, this part is printed in Forward AM PA11. We chose this material because it's very tough and it was not scratching the part either. I see the future into end-to-end solutions by connecting the initial need with the right product to condense all this know-how about material, about design, about process into a more seamless and smooth workflow.